Hello everyone. So start this day I want to show some of my airsoft collections and some of my modifications in this channel. And to start with, as I'm a GLOCK fan, I want to start with the Kublai P3, which is this one. See, this is Kublai P3. So you may feel confused about what is this one? What is P3? This is only a toy number. This pistol inside is a GLOCK 19 GEN5. So let's open it. Like I'm opening an iPhone box. And you see here, it's a very small and unique pistol. But I have already opened it and made some modifications, so you can see some stripping here. And let's see. So it comes with yellow protection, some gel balls, a plate to widen your grip, and a 134.8 gas. And this is a really low pressure, and I normally won't use it. So let's take it out. Take this off and just cover it. So let's now see the pistol itself. So GLOCK 19 is a quite small one, but thankfully I don't have a quite big hand and I can take it very comfortable. And let's show what modifications I have done to this grip. So start with this. I've cut this trigger guard to make a finger groove and the second hand finger groove, so I can hold it much more comfortable. And also the grip, I've stripped the front and the rear, but why not the side? Because I think this small one is a carry gun. So if I modify this place, it may scratch or hook to some of my clothes. So I think it's not convenient, and I just choose to strip front and rear, and this will make more friction to let me hold it better. And also because I'm a right hand shooter, so I would say the GEN5, it is right hand or left hand. You can use by both hands, and this one, this mag release is also both sides. And because of I'm a right hand shooter, so this one is the finger rest, and I can make more friction. And I have cut this groove so I can just rest my thumb here, and also can help me to control the recoil. I know it's an airsoft, but it also has some recoil. So this is the handle modifications. Not else, but let's look up here. So original is plastic. This is a plastic slide, plastic tube, and plastic sides. So this mag is metal, but it has only the flat plate. It's hard to actually hold it off. Sometimes it may stuck inside. And the GEN5, I like the GEN5 because it's original have this mag well. You can put in your mag much faster. To start with, I will just modify this one. I'll take this out and put on this Marui extend plate. So it's better to help me hold it to pull it out or step it inside. So let's now take it off. So let's look inside. The get rod is metal and the spring is not very hard. And take the tube out. So you can see this place is a metal plate. I don't know it's strengthened the slide or just to make this spring harder. But it has two steel pins here. These pins make it slide, not easily be destroyed by this slide lock, because this is steel or iron, but this is plastic. And this one, the base is metal, but not a very good metal. I think it's not durable, so I've bought another parts. So this is I don't know how to read this one, but they have made pretty great slide and metal tube. So this is a aluminum slide, and the pin job is great. And also they have made two iron plate to strengthen the aluminum slide to make the cell lock more durable. And also they have improved hash rod and some I don't know, the typhoon parts. They say this is a typhoon parts to make the gas more efficiency. And that's it. And also I have aluminum side with this red I don't know, it's a really red tube, but it shows red dots. It's pretty great. And now let's change these things inside. So just put it in and put inside the get rod and put it back inside here. So let's see the rear, the grip here. So this is all original and this metal, and these things have improved from the P1, which is an old generation. So the original ones are quite good. I don't want to change them. Okay, so now I have finished to modify this one. So this is what I want to have a small carry gun, and these ones, they are just be there to be spare parts. Okay, so let's see how it goes. To start with, I will use this original one. I don't expect anything. So let's see. Well, it normally recoil. Not very good. So take out this 290. This is one I'm always using. This is much better. And also let's see the side lock. So it's working every side. So this one goes back, that goes back. So this is pretty convenient. And the size of it, I will have G33. So let's see, this one is too long, and sometimes you know, when I play the airsoft, there is always some CQB in my area, in my city, so a big one is always very inconvenient to get inside some room or just around the corner. So this one will improve everything. This one will fix all the problems I have met. And you know, it shoots GEL balls. So let's put some inside. Because the GEL ball is pretty big, it's 7mm, so it can only hold maximum 12 GEL balls, 1 mag. It can even reach the 15, the real one hold. So let's put inside. So let's see how fast will this one have. 78, 79, 80, 79, 60, 76, 77, and it normally goes back. And also the recoil. As GLOCK, I think the recoil is pretty good, but the problem is this mag is too small, and so when you quickly clean the 1 mag to max, maximum 3 max, and the temperature will be too low and it cannot go back, so it cannot be used as the normal GLOCK 7 or the GLOCK 34. You can refill 1 mag and shoot a lot of GEL balls, then you refill it. Also, it's clear because this is the 19 mag. This is the normal 17 mag, and this is 17 mag with extension. So you can see the differences, and clearly it is much smaller. And I am pretty satisfied with this pistol by now, and I recommend the GLOCK fan to own this one, the G19 GEN5, and the toy number is the Kublai P3, and buy this slide to make it better. So thank you very much.